Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be doing a quick review of the Universal Audio Volt 2 audio interface. My first interface that I owned was a gift. It was the Roland Dual Capture X. So it was a 2-in, 2-out interface. And then I upgraded to the newer version of that, which was the Roland Rubix 24, I think. I wasn't really pleased with the result of using the interface. I went on to enter into the Universal Audio ecosystem, and this was a really affordable way to get quality. This is a USB Type-C audio interface. It has 2 inputs, 2 outputs, and each input has a 1/4 inch or XLR connection. The sample rate goes from 44.1 kilohertz to 192. It also has 48 volt phantom power, as with any audio interface or most. And the cool thing about the one with the Volt is that it has a delay feature. Rule of thumb is you'd want to have your microphone connected to your interface before turning on the phantom power, just so you don't damage your hardware. And this has a delay feature where it flashes for a few seconds before it is fully activated. The orange LED indicates stereo direct monitoring, and this will be for stereo sources like a keyboard. The blue LED indicates mono input monitoring, so this will be for your microphones, bass guitar, and then no LED indicates that direct monitoring is turned off. So the selling point of this interface is that it comes with a vintage mode. Later in the video, I'll be demoing the vintage mode. And the other cool thing is that you can connect this interface to your cell phone via USB-C. Now, I've tried it with my bass guitar. The only thing is that I get the sound on the left side, and that's because I'm plugged into a left source. I'll do more experimenting regarding that and then probably release a shorts as an update. The other cool feature with this interface is that it has 5 volt DC power, so you can plug this into the wall. You don't have to have a computer, you don't have to have an iPad. If you do have an iPad, then it's recommended to plug it directly into the wall so it gets a separate power source. Also to mention, the weight of this interface is a little bit over 2 pounds, so it's not too heavy. It's not really heavy. Now into the next segment, we'll be demoing this interface. In this segment, nothing will be processed, maybe just a high pass filter. Nevertheless, we'll be demoing vocals as well as instruments. Lord, prepare me to be a sanctuary, pure and holy, tried and true. With thanksgiving, I'll be a living sanctuary for you. Lord, prepare me to be a sanctuary, pure and holy, tried and true. With thanksgiving, I'll be a living sanctuary for you. I did notice, like with the vintage mode, it adds like a bit of texture to the vocals and also to the bass as well. Not a huge difference, but if you're listening, I guess try to listen for a different texture. So I forgot to include in the first recording the details regarding the software that comes with this interface. So I'm just gonna show you on the screen the different applications and plugins that comes with the UAD Volt. So this is the UAD Connect software. It comes with your Volt, so the moment you connect it, I think it should pop up or something like that, but you'll be prompted to install this software. And then if you go to Volt interfaces, the interface will show up here, and it also shows the firmware if it's up to date. Also, if there's an update, you'll receive that update. And then this is a software that comes with the Volt. This is an auto tune or something regarding that. Pure Mix Pro, Marshall Plexi Classics, Ableton Live Lite. So I was able to install Ableton Live. I have 11 because that's when I had installed it. This is just the entry level version of Ableton, but if you have purchased this interface and you want to get started recording, this DAW comes with it as well. So you get quite a number of software with the Volt 2, and this will show like what you have installed, this section. So that's good to note. Now, regarding the price of this interface, it is going for $289 Canadian on Long & McQuaid's website, and in the US it's going for $199 on Sweetwater's website. I'm an advocate for buying used gear. If you can find this product on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or anywhere else that sells used gear that is reputable, even a pawn shop, the reason why it's because of the equipment, and I believe like this is a solid equipment that if it's being sold used, it's still capable of holding up unless there's like a physical damage to the interface itself. So I'd recommend this interface for someone who, and this is not specific, but if you're looking to get quality results with your recording and not have to really worry about an interface that is capable, I'd recommend this audio interface. Also, if you are just starting out, there is the Volt 1 if you want to just record vocals or just an instrument. This would apply to singers, producers, content creators, pretty much anyone that wants to get quality recording done and do so in a budget-friendly manner. I hope this video brought value to you. I hope the information that was shared would help you in making a decision. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and see you next time.